Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm making tuna and pasta dish. Well, I bring home the food in my memory to my home during my first time traveling to Rome, Italy. I got to eat the delicious Italian street food. It's tuna and pasta dish. At first, I didn't know what kind of pasta it was until I tried it. Now has become my signature pasta dish. Well, it's so delicious and it's affordable. To prepare for the sauce, I diced up all the veggie, any kind of veggie available in your house or that in the fridge that you want to get rid of. Or you can do like I have here: tomatoes, quarter onions, a piece of broccoli stem, half a red bell pepper, some mixed olive, capers, and after dice all the veggies, I add 4 pieces of anchovy. And if you don't like anchovy, just leave it out and don't use it. On a medium-high heat, 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet and add 4 pieces of anchovies in. At the end then, add all the veggies, all the diced veggies in there, and 1 can of tuna back in water. Press all the water out to make sure that you don't use the water in the can. So canned food is so simple and so affordable, right? 2 cups of tomato sauce. I use tomato can, of course. Salt and pepper to taste, and smoked paprika or dry chili flakes, and I add more olive oil in there. I love olive oil in my pasta. A teaspoon of Italian dry herbs. Again, let the sauce cook in a low heat to reduce the thicken the sauce. It takes like 5-10 minutes. And meanwhile, I cook the pasta. For the pasta, use your favorite pasta following the instructions of the package. Mostly, I cook my pasta for 10 to 12 minutes. When the pasta cooks, transfer all the pasta to the skillet and mix them all well together. Make sure the pasta coats the sauces and the meat and all the veggie like that. Hey, and that's it. Enjoy it. Yay, ready to eat. Tonight, pasta dish is so affordable and so delicious. If you like tuna, and this is the dish for you. Well, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.